In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use a Nintendo Switch Pro controller on Call of Duty Mobile and whether or not it is possible to do this. First, all that you would have to do is connect a controller to your mobile device. This can be done using a cable, so a wired connection, or what most people prefer, connecting it wirelessly over Bluetooth or any other method. Now, as you might be aware, COD Mobile offers native official support for PlayStation and Xbox controllers, meaning that as long as you have one of those controllers connected to COD Mobile or your device, they are going to be picked up and all the inputs are going to be natively detected. So you can use the joystick, the D-pad, all the buttons, and you will be able to navigate not only through the menus, but you will also be able to fully play utilizing the PlayStation or Xbox controllers. However, if you try to do the same process with your Nintendo Switch Pro controller, where you connect it to any mobile device, you get inside of the game, you will notice that none of the inputs are going to do anything. So, why does this happen? Is there a workaround to this? Sadly, as it stands today, only PlayStation and Xbox controllers have official native support for COD Mobile. If you try to connect a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, even though it might be picked up by your mobile device, the inputs inside of the game are not going to be adjusted. It is unfortunate because it limits the amount of different controllers that you have to play COD Mobile, and if you only have access to a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, you will have to acquire a PlayStation or Xbox controller if you want to play COD Mobile using a controller. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that COD Mobile only offers full controller support for PlayStation and Xbox controllers. Nintendo Switch, unfortunately, does not have controller support in COD Mobile. I hope I was able to clear up any questions that you had about using a Pro controller on COD Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.